Okay, everything is fine.
Yes, carry on.
Okay, fine now. So here what we are S1 equal to yes equal to S1, yes equal to S1. Then what we will get the result now, guys? Come on,
True.
true, right?
True.
True, but
Yes, sir.
okay. So how we are checking this kind of situation? If at the time of like if we are developed means what? If we completed one API and in the API if we want to check the references, guys. Okay, if we want to check the references for that purpose, what is that? Assert what? Assert object is there, right? Assert 1 minute. Assert same, right? Assert same, fine. Assert what? Assert same. One method is there, assert same, right? Assert same. Yes.
Is it a set equal or a set same?
Sorry.
Is it equal or it is same? Just asking.
Assert equals.
Yeah,
Sorry.
that's what I'm asking. Is it a set, is it a set equals or it is a set same?
Assert same, not equal.
Okay. Okay.
Because here we are going to check what references, right?
Okay.
If assert same, assert equals, if we want to check the content, content of the object, then we will use what? Then we will use what? Assert equals, right? Assert equals. If we want to check the content of the right object, then we will use what? Assert equals. But here what is our need? What is our need? We have need to check the references, right? Both references is pointing to same object or not. Come on, clear?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
So
Yes,
if we,
yes, clear.
yeah, if we want to check the both references, right? Both references is pointing to same object or not, then what we will use it now, guys? Assert same method. Come on.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's do the same work here itself only, guys. Let's do the same work here itself only. So just I'm taking what? String yes equal to, let's take yes1 equal to, just here I'm holding what? I'm holding the A, and what I'm doing now, again I'm taking the S2 equal to what? S1, right? S1, come on.
Yes,
So
sir.
now, okay, I'm commenting this one, guys. Okay, here let's comment one, because we seen that already we completed. Now let's, what we will do it now, assert
Same.
same, right? Assert same. Okay, so here expected, right? Expected reference is what? S2. Okay, now actual is what? A, right? S1. Actual is what? S1. Fine now, guys. So okay, now let's run this one. See this? Our what? Our unit test operation is complete, succeeded or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, sir. We succeeded.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, succeeded.
Okay, if you want to see the failure scenario, just what we will do it now here, just what I'm doing now here, we can hold null also now in string, we can hold it or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, Ravi, we can hold it.
Yes, sir. We can hold it now.
Yeah, we can hold it, right? Or if you don't want to hold it, just take the b itself only. Fine now, guys. So means what? Here two different object is there now. Come on, string s1 and string s2, both are the different now. Come on, guys.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
means
correct.
then
Yes, sir. Yes.
for this purpose, if we are using this method, then what we will get it now, guys? Our what? If we are
It
what
will fail.
means what? Our what?
Failure.
Test case is failed or not, guys? Come on. If
It
if
will
we
be
are
failure.
yeah,
Yes,
it
sir.
will. Yeah, now right click, run this one. See this. See this. What is that? See, the read the error also, right? Expected B, but what is that? A. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so no, I want what is that? This API, right? This one also. I want to to succeed this method also, then what is the method now, guys? What is the method? Assert and not same, right? Not same, right? Assert not same. Okay, no issue. Both are the different. Okay, no, but still I want to what? Success right? A success test method, right? I want what? Success test method. Then we will use what? Assert not same. Hey, why it's not taking?
Same.
Why it's not taking 1 minute? Yeah. Okay, so here I'm passing what? S2 expectation and what? S1, right? S1. Okay, fine now. So now let's run this one. Yeah, see this? Both are the different object, but still what we are getting now? Succeed. Our test case is succeed. Pass or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, fine now, guys. So just okay. So just we seen this method now. Okay, just we seen this method now. Let's write one API. Okay, so the like just we have what? One math class now, guys. Okay, just we have one math class. So here I'm writing one API now. Okay, so let's take one API. Normal our Java, how we core Java I'm using, guys, core Java itself only. Don't think I'm going to take huge API, right? No, everyone will understand that code. Okay, so just I'm taking what? Com dot rk dot what? maths, right? Maths. Okay, so here I'm taking what? Maths a class. I'm taking one maths class. Maths, right? So finish now in this maths class. Okay, in this maths class. Okay, so what I'm going to do now? Just I'm writing what? One public int. Return type is what? Int. Okay, return type is what? Int. Fine now. So here addition. We are going to write one addition method. Okay, so here just I'm returning what? Returning what? Just here what? In the addition itself only. The argument is what? Int a and what? Int b. Two argument is there, and what I'm going to do now? A plus b, right? I'm returning this API, right? Okay, so this is our API. We have need to write the test case about this API. How we can write it? Shall we write it now, guys? Come on, give
Yes,
the
yes, we will.
response.
Yeah, we will write.
Okay, so let's write the what? Test case about this API. Let's write the test case about this API now. Okay, so what I'm going to do now? This is the API, our API. We have need to what? Just what? Just come here, guys. Okay, see this one. So developer responsibility to write the API, right? Developer responsibility is what? To write the API, means what? To doing the coding, means just think about that. We completed one coding, right? We completed one coding, but we have need to test it. Our coding, whatever coding we completed, that coding is perfect code, or some failures are there in this code now, guys. Okay, in this code. So for that, just see, we completed the coding part. We have need to check this coding part also, right? Come on. This is the based on our
Yes, Ravi.
based on our expectation, this API is working or not. Come on, guys.
Yes, we have to
Yes,
test it.
Ravi.
Okay, so now fine now. So I'm going to write the test cases. See this, how we are writing the test case class in the real time, guys. Okay, naming convention you have to follow at the time of writing the test case. Okay, so I'm going to write the test case about this what? API now. So we have need to write. Okay, take one class. Okay, take one class. Okay, fine now, guys. Okay, take one class. So the class name, right? Class name we have need to follow like what? We have need to follow like what? We have first naming convention test. Okay, take test. Okay, after then what? What is the class name, guys? Math na. Come on. Okay, so
Ravi.
take that one. What?
Yeah, maths.
You can take anything, but this is the what? Coding standard you have to follow at the time of what? Writing test case, guys. Okay, writing test case in the real time. I'm talking about the real time, right? Okay, fine. So now finish it. Means what?
Yes,
our
Ravi.
our test case class is ready now, guys. Okay, our test case class is ready now. Come on, respond it, man.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, yes, ready, ready.
Yes, so fine now, guys. So this is the test case class now, guys. So we have need to write the test method also now. Come on.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
Yeah,
Ravi.
be active yourself, guys. Be active yourself. Then I can if because you're what if you guys are active, right? Then I will motivate myself and I can deliver the good subject. Okay, so fine now, guys. So here what I'm doing now, public class test method is there now. Come on, public class test method means what? Based on this is the math class and what is the test, right? Based on this one, we can understand this is the we are going to write the test unit code or not. Come on. So
Yes, correct.
fine.
Yes, Ravi.
So let's
Right.
write
Yes,
one.
we can understand.
Yeah, let's write one what? Let's write one test method now, guys. So public void, and what is the method? What is the method convention now, guys? So here, see this here, add method is there now. Come on, this is the add method now.
Yes.
Yes.
But
Yes, Ravi.
but we are
method.
but we are going to write the what? Unit testing test method now. So what is the naming convention? Test add, like this we will write, guys. Okay, like this we will write the your test method, right? Okay, fine now, guys. So okay, so how our what unit testing framework will understand this is the test case method now, guys. What annotation we will apply on the top of this method now? Come on,
At the test.
at the
Rate
rate
test.
test, right?
At the rate test.
Okay,
Test method.
based on this
Yes,
test
Ravi.
method, what we can say that this is the unit test method or not, guys? Come on, this is the test case method or not? Come on.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
Ravi.
Yeah, that is test.
Okay, fine now,
Yes,
guys.
it is tested.
Okay, fine now, guys. So okay, so what we are going to do now, we have need, okay, fine now, then we have need to create the object of this class here itself only now. So let's create the object maths m equal to new math, right? M equal to new math. Fine now, guys. So here just what? m dot add, we are calling that method, and here what I'm doing now, 20 plus 10 I'm passing, right? 20 plus 10 here, 20 plus 10. Okay, fine now. Okay, so then we are going to what? Actual data we are getting now, int actual, right? Int what we are getting now? Actual data, right? We are getting the actual data, means what is the actual data? 30 now, guys. Come on, 30, right?
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
30.
30.
Okay, so our expectations, so how we are writing now? Okay, so again we are
Expected also 30.
okay, expected, okay, expected
30 equals to 30.
equal to 30, right? Expected
30.
also
Yes.
30. Okay, so
Yes,
fine
Ravi.
now, guys. So means we have I'm writing what? Test case, right, guys? We are writing the test case only. So see that which method we will use it now, guys. Just we seen that, right? If we want to what,
Assert equals.
check the content.
Assert equals.
Very good, Sudhir, very good. Okay, so here what we will take now, assert
Assert equals.
equals,
Equals.
right? Assert
Equals.
equals. Fine now, expected
30
data plus
30.
what? Actual data, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
Ravi.
Yeah.
It's fine.
So fine now. So what I'm going to do now, just I'm running this test case now. Let's run and JUnit means what? Now, okay. Observe the console. Our unit test is passed or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, it
Yes,
is
Ravi.
passed.
Yes, Ravi. It's passed.
Okay, guys. So
Yeah. It succeed.
yeah, means what? Our API is passed now. Means what? Whatever we completed the code, that
Actually, was
code
expected.
that right, that code is perfect coding, right? Then after then what we have need to do this code now, we have need to commit inside that what, we have need to commit inside that Git repository or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Means developer
Yes, correct.
responsibility, both developer responsibility is completed, then after then if our what API is what perfectly working, then what we have, what the responsibility now, we have need to commit that code in the Git repository or
Git.
not? Yes. So
Yes.
fine now.
Yes.
But
Ravi.
guys, just okay, now focus on this area. This is the not like this. This is the perfect, but like this we are not writing in the real time test cases. Let's improve this coding again itself only, right? So in the some modification, this is not good way to write the code test case, guys. Okay, let's see that how we are writing the good way coding. Okay, so now fine now. So again, nothing much. Okay, so we have need to set up kind of. Okay, so this object declaration we have need to use in the one time block, guys. We seen that annotation now, after, before, after all, before all. Anyone remember those annotations now, guys? Come on.
Yes. Before
Oh,
each, before,
yes,
after all.
yes. So public void setup. Just write setup, guys. Okay, setup. Now here, okay, if we want to execute this
Before all.
this method before this test case, then what annotation we will use it now, guys? At the rate before. Fine,
Before.
good. Before h. Okay, so all declaration, all object declaration we will take at the class level, guys. Okay, so what is the declaration now? At the rate maths is there now, at the rate sorry, maths is there, we will take on the top of declaration. Variable declaration we will take on the no need to null na, if we are declaring at the class level. Okay, fine. Yes, and object creation we will take inside that what? Object creation we will take inside that what? This block now, guys. After creation, object creation we will take in the this class itself only. Okay, fine now, guys. Okay, so here what? Our again this one also, right? This is the actual data, right? This declaration also we will
Yes,
take
Ravi.
this variable
Yes,
declaration, this variable declaration also we will take at a class level itself only, right? And
Class.
yes,
global.
okay, so after then what? Expectation, our expectation is 13, right? This declaration also we will declare on the class level itself only, here itself only. Okay, here itself only. Okay, fine now, guys. So just remove this one here itself only. Okay, fine. Okay, so after then what we have need to what? Release also, we have need to write the release code also about this methods now. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
So here what is that? Actual, this is the actual data is there now, we have need to hold here itself only. So now like this we have need to test it. Okay, fine. So here one more method. Who is that? Yeah, so after then again we have need to write one more method, guys. Okay, again we have need to write one more method. What is that? Cleanup code. Okay, so public void what? Close method, right? Close method. Okay, so inside that what we will do it now, guys? M equal to null, we will nullify here itself only. After then what? Actual data na, actual, this is the actual reference. Yeah, actual equal to expected. Let's take expectation also. Okay, make this one as what? 0. If nothing is there, r -1. Let's take, means no r, negative value. Let's give the negative value, means what? Here what happening now? Our our code is what? Cleaning up now, guys. So here for that purpose, this block, if after test cases, test case, if we want to execute this block, then what annotation we will use now, guys? After, come on, anyone remember?
After all. After all.
After each. After all, we will see that later. Okay, so now fine, like this we are writing, guys. Okay, like this we are writing our what? Test case class now, guys. This is the real time test case class. This is the real time test case class, how we are writing. and how we are testing, like what in the company. Okay, so now run this one, it will work the same. See this, still we are getting the pass symbol or not? Come on, still we are getting what, pass message or not,
Yes.
guys? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so fine now, guys. So okay, so let's what, just we seen that, right? References, right? Checking the references, what just normal scenario I given to you people, right? Normal scenario itself only I given, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, where the explanation is given. Just I want to see that explanation. Yeah, this one. Assert API, right? Okay, so fine. Now let's work on. But here, anyone heard about that singleton, guys? Singleton design pattern.
Yes, yes, Ravi. We have
Singleton
heard.
design
Ravi.
pattern
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes, Ravi.
means what? What is the meaning of singleton? Any situation, it will give what? Give us what? Only one object.
One object per
Only
JVM.
one object.
Yes.
Per JVM.
Yeah, so okay, fine now, guys. So what I'm going to do now, anyone little bit a JDBC know that? JDBC, anyone? Creating the connection and all those things. Even
Yes.
if I am explaining here, anyone can understand? Come on.
Yes, yes.
Yes, Ravi. Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Normal API label I'm going to explain, guys. Okay, that what test cases. Okay, so
Okay.
because this scenario we have need connection pool also. I will explain connection pool also, guys. Okay, where like what caching and all those things also I will cover up here itself only. Like, right, caching and connection pool. Okay, how our data is hitting, how many times if we are using the caching, connection pool, timeout, time in, all those things I will explain it. Okay, so now focus on this one only, this one only, right?
Okay.
So just what I'm going to do now, just I'm going to write only one connection now, guys. Okay, only one, I'm going to establish one connection, and what we will declare that connection JDBC connection as what? Singleton JDBC connection. Okay, and we will check that. Okay, our what connection is opening or not, and even what we are getting only one connection itself only or not. If we are getting only one connection, then what we will get the success, means what, pass. Our test case will be pass now. Okay, so we will write this one. Okay, so first what we have need to do now, we have need to copy the dependency, right? So okay, so Jupyter engine, no, sorry, MySQL. Let's take MySQL. MySQL dependency, Maven dependency. Just I'm copying this one. Okay. Okay. One person also there in the meeting, like on the WhatsApp, right? He kept their name Singleton itself only from the other country. I think Shadab as something name is there, right? Today in the session you are there, right? Singleton, you are there or not? Okay, fine. So okay, let's do the coding. Let's do the coding now. Okay, fine. Now so here what I'm going to do it now, guys. So this is the math test cases we checked, right? So normally if JDBC connection is there, if we want to test it in the real time, right? In the real time, if we want to test it, so like right click, take this one, another package, right? So okay, mass na connection, I'm taking connection API. Okay, fine. Now so here I'm taking the class name DB connection, right? DB connection. Yeah, fine. Now okay, so put that dependency in the pom.xml. Okay, fine. Now come here. 1 minute. Open the MySQL. Just I want to declare one water database also, right? Here we have need to declare one database also.
Database.
Yes. Test already there, right? Let's okay, one database is there already. Test. Okay, we will see that nothing is there, right?
Yes.
Just we will check the connection only. We will not store the data and all those things. Okay, just based on that unit testing, right? We will perform that our water unit test is pass or fail, and I will show you guys, okay, both scenario, right? Failure condition as well as what pass condition also, right? So fine, now test already there. Okay, test already there. Okay, so fine now. Okay, come here. So this is the API, right? So just we are going to write the API. Okay, so means just normally, guys. Okay, just see this. So okay, this is the database connection, right? So this is the database connection, and what we will do now, and this database connection is what? A singleton. So if we want to if we are using this connection, we have need to make this connection as what? Singleton. Then what we will do it now, we will use it, just we will use this connection everywhere, wherever we have need in the project, just we will use it. Just think about that. A connection also we are creating, right? A connection we are creating, and B connection, sorry, B object also, connection object also we are taking. But any situation it will create, it will give what? It will give us what? Only one object, right? Only one object. So this is our what? Scenario, and we have need to test it. That's it. So about this one, we have need to make the connection also as a singleton only, na? Then we can work on this area, na, guys. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Okay, so what I'm going to do now, let's write first connection itself only. So okay, so only one time, just I'm taking the static singleton, guys. Okay, static block I'm taking. Okay, so here we took static block. Okay, inside that only I'm going to try and catch block, because our what? Our JDBC API is throwing the checked exception, and we have need to handle explicitly, otherwise what? Our API will not work, na? Come on, guys, checked exception we have need to handle it, na?
Yes,
Yeah.
Ravi.
So
Yes, we did.
Explicitly we
yes,
have to.
yeah. So okay, so here what? E dot print stack, right? E dot print stack. Fine now, guys. So here what I'm going to do now, so here I'm just taking what? Loading the driver. So how we are loading the driver now, guys? Class dot for name, na?
Class dot for name.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Class dot for name. Okay, so here what is that? Just com dot MySQL, right? MySQL
Well,
dot
yes,
JDBC,
sir.
right? JDBC
JDB.
driver name I'm giving, guys. Okay, dot driver, right? Come on,
Yes.
this is the driver
Dot
class,
driver.
na? If you want to check this one, oh yeah, if we want to check
Sir,
this one,
JDBC and driver in
yeah,
between dot.
sorry, but something wrong is there, guys. Okay, now MySQL driver, I'm just opening 1 minute. MySQL driver. Okay, driver, and what is the package name? Com dot this one, right? Now copy this one, because I think I wrote wrong. Okay, now correct. No, perfect only. Yeah, it's correct. Okay, fine. Now we completed what? Loading process now, guys. Okay, so next one is what? We have need to create the connection also, right? We have need to create the connection. For the creating the connection means how our API will reach to this database now, guys. How our API we have need to what? Open the connection, na? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so for that what? Driver
Sir, we
manager is
need to create a connection object. Connection
driver
equals to
driver
Driver
manager dot
dot
get
driver
connection,
manager
right?
dot get connection.
Yes, driver
connection.
manager.
Get connection.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
driver manager dot get connection. Then we have need to give the what? Where this our server is running, means what? Our SQL server is running now. So for that, what is the URL of that one? Anyone remember that one?
Local
JDBC JDBC colon
localhost
MySQL
colon
colon
database name test colon test
/ localhost
local 3306
localhost colon
All
In data.
port number.
360, right?
3306.
And my database username is root only, guys. Okay,
Root
yeah, again password also root itself only.
password.
Password.
Yeah.
But we
Okay,
need to
root
specify
itself.
database name also.
Yes, so fine now. Yes,
Yes,
correct,
database.
correct. Here we have need to take the test, right?
Or after
Data.
that database name also.
Yeah.
Test. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine now. So here we have need to return this one will return the what connection object na. So we have need we are
Connection con.
yeah, we have need to take that one is a what
Sir,
private.
connection.
Yes, I'm taking
Private
that.
connection.
Private
Connection
Class,
con equals to null.
private static. We are going to take, because this is the static block. If we want to take the reference of that one, we have need to declare that by variable also as a static itself only na. Come
Yes,
on,
Ravi.
Yes.
core Java basic connection, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Connection con, fine. Okay, so fine na.
Yes, Ravi.
So connection con equals to null.
Why this one is giving?
No neutral.
Yeah, this one is what wrong input, right? MySQL connection na. No, this one is JDBC Control Shift O. This one, fine. Now perfect. This is what this is the perfect, right? We wrote that singleton. This is the singleton only, right? Singleton. Just we are loading only one time this class, and what we are going to do now, just we are taking, right? This we are taking, and what we have need again. Next one is what we have need to take the constructor also as a private, right? Singleton. We have need to make
Yes,
that
Ravi.
constructor is a
Yes.
private, right? Private.
Yes.
Private.
Yes. DB connection.
Private DB
Connection.
connection, right? That's it. Fine. That's it. Correct.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay. So fine now, guys. So, but how we can access this connection object? How we can access this connection object? We can't, right? In this DB connection, we can't access outside, right? So if we want to make this accessible outside also, then what we have need to do now, we have need to expose this connection using the one static method na. Come on,
Yes, sir.
come on, guys, give the
Yes,
reply.
Yes, Ravi, correct. Yes.
So
Yes,
because we already the constructor we made as a private, then we can't able to create the object, right? We can't able to create because the constructor
Yes,
is
sir.
private. So in between, right, we wrote the logic, and how we can expose that logic using the static method only, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Okay.
Static method.
Yes. So let's declare one static method, and the return type is what? Connection only, right? So what we are going to do now, public static connection, public static connection. So what is that? Get DB connection.
Get connection.
DB connection, right? This is the method now. Okay, so here what we are returning now, guys? Return just con this object only, right? Just return this object only. Fine. Give the reply, guys. Little
Yes,
bit give
Ravi.
the reply, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
fine.
Okay, so this is what? This is the we completed what? Our database connection as what? A singleton design pattern. Using what? Singleton design pattern means what? Any situation, this what? We will get only one object, right? Come on.
Yes, only one object.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so let's write the test case about this class. Okay, let's write the test case about this class also, right? Let's write the test case about this class itself only. So, okay, fine now guys. So how we can write the test cases now? So come here.
Assert same.
Yes, so first we have need to follow the coding standard also now, how we are writing the test cases now. So here just dbcon, right? dbcon. Okay, so just here what we will write it now?
STDB con.
So
STDB connection.
sorry.
Test DB
STDB
connection.
connection.
name.
Yes,
Class
test
name.
Class name.
DB connection.
DB
Connection. Okay, fine. Now finish it. Okay, fine. So here the method is there, right? Here what method already there? We have need to use it. That's it, right? We need to use it this like connection, like this method, right? So okay, we are going to follow the totally coding standard. How we are writing the like test cases now, guys. Okay, how we are writing the test cases. So for that, what we are writing, all declaration we will take at the class level itself only, right? Come on. So what is that private connection?
Yes, Ravi.
Private connection con1, right? Just we are going to take two connection object and we will check that, right? We will check it now, guys. Okay, so connection con1 and what is that con2, right? Connection 2. Fine.
On to.
Okay, so
Yes, Ravi.
we will initialize, means what is that? We will use this connection at only one time. Then what kind of block we will write it now, guys? So one time block we will write now, public void what? Just setup, right? Setup. Fine now. Okay, so here what I'm going to do now, con1 dot 1 minute, something wrong. No, we have need to call directly with the class name, right? Okay, so what is that DB connection, right? So here DB connection, inside that one method is there. We have need to call that method, right? Connection method na, come on. Like
Yes,
this
sir.
only, right? Because this is the static method. How we are calling the static method in the core Java now, guys? Using the class name.
By using
na?
class
Using
name.
class name.
So same things I'm
Yes,
doing
sir.
here na. Same thing only I'm doing here na. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, so after then we are getting the connection object, right? So that connection object we are holding in the one reference. So here
one.
what is, yeah, so connection one, this is the connection one itself only. Okay, no issue, guys. So here what is that import statement is wrong, because of that we are getting control shift O. So SQL connection we have need. Okay, fine. Okay, let's take one more connection object, right? Let's take one more connection object, connection 2 also, right? So DB connection, right? DB connection.
Connection.
Okay,
Dot
DB
connection.
dot get connection. Fine. Okay, so here we are returning what? Here we are returning what? Con2.
Connection to.
Connection 2. So here just what is the our need, guys? Just let's see that really we are really this connection 1 and connection 2 is pointing to same connection. This is we have need to check na. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Means what? See this, just nothing, guys. Okay, so
Reference.
so here what? So here
Assert
this one,
same.
this one is what? Con1 reference and this one is what? Con2 reference. Come on, Con2 reference na. Both we have need
Yes,
to we have need to check it.
Yes, sir.
Really connection 1 and connection 2 is pointing to same object. This one we have need to check it na.
Yes, Ravi.
So for that only we are writing the test case. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, fine. So let's, okay, so for that, so only one time based on the test cases, this we want to what? Execute this block one time. Then what we will, what annotation we will use it now, guys? At the rate before
Before each. Before each. Each.
What happened? It's not showing.
At the rate before.
Yes, that one only, but